Hi, it's Said, and today I'll show you how to enable and disable Always On display on Google Pixel 11 Pro. So first, go into the settings of your phone, then find the display and touch, and Always On display. Here you can enable it. When you hit the Always On display, you see show the time, date and more when the screen is off. Here you can see the screen always on display. Enable it, and we have wallpaper options. Show lock screen wallpaper. Lock screen wallpaper is visible with always on display. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.